Hi everyone, my name is Mike Van Sickle, and welcome to my course, Deep Dive into Go Packages. From its very beginning, Go has embraced simplicity as a core ideal to aspire to. However, just because a thing is simple does not mean that it must compromise its effectiveness. Go's package system illustrates this point well. This system provides a simple way to organize source code into clear, well-factored units while remaining powerful enough to handle the most challenging organizational requirements. In this course, you'll dig into Go's package system. You will learn about the components of a package and how to use them to ensure that a package remains well organized and can be easily consumed by other parts of your application. You will also explore Go's support for edge cases that can provide ideal solutions to some uncommon but important scenarios. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the lifecycle of a package, best practices for designing packages, how to control the visibility of package members, and the different ways to import packages and when to use each. By the end of this course, you'll know how to design your packages to make your applications better organized and easier to maintain. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of the Go language. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about packages with the Deep Dive into Go Packages course at Pluralsight.